The iPhone 17 East is officially here, and in 2026, it's proving to be an absolute stroke of genius from Apple. Before we dive into why this device is a total game changer, don't forget to subscribe to our channel so you never miss an update on the latest tech. For years, the entry-level iPhone felt like a compromise, but this year, the script has completely flipped. By doubling the base storage to a massive 256 gigabytes while maintaining a competitive $599 starting price, Apple has effectively ended the storage anxiety that used to plague budget-conscious buyers. It's no longer about what you're missing out on by not buying a Pro. It's about how much value is packed into this sleek, standard frame. This isn't just a phone for light users anymore, it's a powerhouse for anyone who wants high-end performance without the $1,000 price tag. The real genius lies in the integration of the A19 chip. Usually, the cutting-edge silicon is reserved for the top-tier models, but by bringing the A19 to the 17 East, Apple has democratized Apple Intelligence. We are seeing full-scale visual intelligence and real-time Siri Pro features running natively on a device that costs half as much as the Pro Max. Whether you're using the new AI-driven photo expansion tools or seamless live translation during a call, the experience is snappy and premium. Plus, the transition to a fully unified USB-C and MagSafe 2 ecosystem across the entire line means that 170 users aren't left behind when it comes to the fastest charging and most innovative accessories. Visually, the 17 East holds its own with a refined, ultra-durable design. Featuring the latest ceramic shield too, this phone is built to survive the chaos of daily life, offering significantly better scratch resistance than previous years. The 6.1-inch Super Retina XDR display is vibrant and incredibly bright, making it perfect for outdoor use. Apple has also leaned heavily into its Apple 2030 carbon-neutral goals, using more recycled cobalt and gold than ever before. In 2026, the iPhone 17 represents the perfect intersection of sustainability, power, and price. It's the smartest move Apple has made in a decade, proving that you don't need Pro in the name to have a genius device in your pocket. So, is the 17e the best value iPhone ever made? Share your thoughts in the comment section.